Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, or okay. Basically, Amazon affiliate program is the place where you can sign up and you can promote Amazon products on your social media, and once people using a link or a text or an image, whatever you want to pick. Basically, once people buy this product using this link, using the link that you promoted, you're going to get a 10% cut on the product. Okay, so how you can sign up, it's just pretty easy. It's not that pretty easy, to be honest, but the link is pretty obvious. It's actually called Amazon Associates. Okay, so a couple of things you need to know. Oh, first let me just a couple of things you need to know. Okay, is that a couple of things that you need to know is, first of all, you need to have your tax information and you need a verified payment method. If you have both of these things, you can sign up on Amazon Associate account. I already do have an account, and it's just filling. And as you can see, I have an account over here. As you can see, my Amazon affiliate program. But basically, this is the place where you can sign in, okay, and you can create your account. I'm just going to sign out and tell you how you can show you how you can sign up. As you can see, this is going to be the face of the Amazon Associates. You're going to click on sign up, and you're going to start signing up into a new account, okay? Sign into your Amazon account, and then when you sign into your Amazon account, you're going to start filling your name, your address, and after your name and your address, you're going to fill the tax information, and you need to have this tax information because you're not going to be able to get the site stripe, okay? Basically, the site stripe is the place where you can see the links, where you can get the link. Okay, once you signed in and once you put your tax information, you've got your Amazon affiliate program, and you just need to make sure of one thing, is that the site stripe, okay, it's basically on the hamburger menu top left, and then you can see it on the menu, is that once, okay, I'm going to sign in. And now once you sign in and you go into site stripe, you're going to click on learn more, okay? And then when you click on learn more, you're going to make sure something called display status is enabled. Once the display status is enabled, you're going to be able to get your link, and congratulations, you signed up for the Amazon affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.